Shaving, especially when it comes to our more private areas, is a deeply personal choice. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Each individual has their own preferences and reasons for their grooming habits. Some might choose to shave for hygiene reasons, while others might do it for aesthetic purposes or simply because it makes them feel more comfortable. Factors like hygiene, aesthetics, and what we find comfortable all come into play. For some, the feeling of smooth skin is a confidence booster, while others might find the process of shaving to be a relaxing self-care ritual. The tools and products we use can also influence our decision, from razors and trimmers to creams and lotions. It's about what makes you feel good. The act of grooming can be a form of self-expression, a way to take control of your body and how you present yourself to the world. Whether you choose to shave, trim, or let your hair grow naturally, the most important thing is that you feel comfortable and happy with your choice. Some people prefer a clean-shaven look while others embrace their natural hair growth. Both choices are valid and beautiful. It's essential to respect and support each other's grooming decisions, understanding that what works for one person might not work for another. There are pros and cons to both, and it's essential to weigh them carefully. Shaving can provide a smooth, clean feeling, but it can also lead to irritation or ingrown hairs. On the other hand, keeping your natural hair can be less maintenance, but some might find it uncomfortable or less aesthetically pleasing. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to shave your pubic hair, armpits, or butt is entirely up to you. It's a personal choice that should be made based on your own comfort and preferences, not societal pressures or expectations. Take the time to explore what feels best for you. Your comfort and confidence are what matter most. When you feel good about your grooming choices, it can positively impact your overall well-being and self-esteem. Remember, it's your body, and you have the right to decide how you want to care for it. Remember, there's no shame in doing what feels right for you. Embrace your choices and celebrate your individuality. Whether you choose to shave, trim, or go au naturel, the most important thing is that you feel good in your own skin. Your grooming habits are a reflection of your personal style and comfort, and that's something to be proud of. Shaving your pubic hair is a common practice, often driven by aesthetics and hygiene concerns. Many people choose to shave or trim their pubic hair for a variety of reasons, ranging from personal preference to societal influences. The practice has become increasingly popular over the years, with both men and women participating in it. Many people find a shaved or trimmed pubic area more visually appealing. This can boost self-confidence and make individuals feel more comfortable in their own skin. For some, it's about feeling clean and fresh, especially during the warmer months when sweating is more common. From a hygiene perspective, shaving can make it easier to keep the area clean and free of sweat and odor. Regular maintenance can help prevent the buildup of bacteria and reduce the risk of unpleasant smells. Additionally, some people find that shaving reduces the chances of getting pubic lice, as there is less hair for the lice to cling to. Some people believe it enhances sexual sensitivity, leading to increased pleasure. The absence of hair can make the skin feel more sensitive to touch, potentially heightening the sensations during intimate moments. This can lead to a more enjoyable and fulfilling sexual experience for some individuals. However, shaving the pubic area comes with its downsides. The process can be time-consuming and requires regular upkeep to maintain the desired look. The delicate skin in this area is prone to irritation, ingrown hairs, and infections. Shaving can cause tiny cuts and nicks, which can become infected if not properly cared for. Ingrown hairs can be particularly painful and may require medical attention if they become severely infected. Shaving can also increase the risk of contracting sexually transmitted infections, or STIs, by creating tiny cuts that make it easier for bacteria to enter the body. It's important to weigh the pros and cons and consider alternative methods of hair removal, such as waxing or using depilatory creams, which may be less irritating for some people. Ultimately, the decision to shave or not is a personal one and should be made based on individual preferences and comfort levels. If you choose to shave your pubic hair, it's crucial to prioritize safety and hygiene. Shaving this sensitive area requires careful attention to detail to avoid cuts, irritation, and infections. Before you start, make sure your razor is clean and sharp. A dull blade can cause nicks and razor burn, which can be uncomfortable and unsightly. It's also important to use a shaving cream or gel specifically designed for sensitive skin. These products help to reduce friction and provide a smoother shave, minimizing the risk of irritation. Always use a clean, sharp razor and shaving cream or gel to reduce friction and prevent razor burn. Shaving in the direction of hair growth can also help to prevent ingrown hairs, which can be painful and lead to infections. Take your time and avoid rushing the process. After shaving, rinse the area thoroughly with warm water to remove any remaining shaving cream or gel. Pat the area dry with a clean towel, being careful not to rub as this can cause further irritation. Avoid using harsh soaps or lotions, as these can irritate the sensitive skin in this area. Instead, opt for gentle, fragrance-free products that are designed for sensitive skin. Reading the ingredients list can help you avoid products that contain alcohol or other harsh chemicals. If you experience any irritation or discomfort after shaving, consider using a soothing lotion or oil to calm the skin. Aloe vera, chamomile, and tea tree oil are all excellent options for reducing redness and inflammation. After shaving, gently pat the area dry and apply a soothing lotion or oil. This helps to lock in moisture and keep the skin hydrated, reducing the risk of dryness and irritation. It's also a good idea to wear loose-fitting clothing for a few hours after shaving to allow the skin to breathe and heal. Tight clothing can cause friction and lead to further irritation. Consider alternatives to shaving such as trimming, waxing, or laser hair removal. Trimming with scissors or an electric trimmer can help you maintain a neat appearance without the risk of cuts and irritation. Waxing provides longer-lasting results, but it can be painful and may cause temporary redness and swelling. Laser hair removal is a more permanent solution, but it requires multiple sessions and can be expensive. These methods can provide longer-lasting results and may be less irritating to the skin. Each method has its own set of pros and cons, so it's important to choose the one that best suits your needs and preferences. If you're unsure which method is right for you, consider consulting with a dermatologist or a professional esthetician. They can provide personalized advice and help you make an informed decision. Remember, taking care of your skin is essential, especially in delicate areas. Proper hygiene and skincare can help prevent irritation, infections, and other issues. By following these tips and choosing the right hair removal method for you, you can keep your pubic area clean, smooth, and healthy. Always listen to your body and adjust your routine as needed to ensure the best results. Armpit hair, much like pubic hair, is a matter of personal preference. Many people choose to shave their armpits for aesthetic reasons, preferring the look and feel of smooth underarms. Shaving can also reduce sweat and odor, making it a popular choice, especially during warmer months. Some athletes believe that shaving their armpits improves performance by reducing drag. However, shaving your armpits can lead to skin irritation, razor burn, and ingrown hairs. The skin in this area is sensitive and prone to friction, making it essential to take extra care when shaving. Section 5. Smooth underarms, safely done. If you decide to shave your armpits, do so with caution. Always use a clean razor and shaving cream or gel to minimize irritation. Shave in the direction of hair growth to prevent ingrown hairs. After shaving, apply a gentle, fragrance-free deodorant to avoid irritating the skin. Consider using an antiperspirant to reduce sweating and minimize odor. Exfoliate your underarms regularly to prevent ingrown hairs and keep the skin smooth. If you experience irritation, consider switching to a different razor or shaving cream. Section 6. Butt hair, a growing concern? Shaving butt hair is a relatively new trend, often driven by aesthetics and personal preference. Some people prefer the look and feel of a smooth behind, while others find it unnecessary or uncomfortable. Hygiene is another factor that motivates some individuals to shave their butt hair. However, the risks associated with shaving this area are similar to those of shaving pubic hair. The skin on your buttocks is delicate and prone to irritation, ingrown hairs, and infections. Shaving can also lead to discomfort, especially when the hair starts to grow back. Section 7. Shaving your behind. Tips and tricks. If you choose to shave your butt hair, prioritize safety and hygiene. Always use a clean razor or trimmer and shaving cream or gel to reduce friction. Shave in the direction of hair growth to prevent ingrown hairs. Avoid using harsh soaps or lotions, as these can irritate the sensitive skin in this area. After shaving, gently pat the area dry and apply a soothing lotion or oil. Consider alternatives to shaving, such as waxing or laser hair removal, for longer-lasting results and potentially less irritation. Section 8. Respecting choices, embracing differences. It's essential to remember that everyone has different preferences when it comes to body hair. What one person finds aesthetically pleasing or hygienic, another may find unnecessary or even uncomfortable. The decision of whether or not to shave your pubic hair, armpits, or butt is entirely personal. There's no right or wrong answer. What matters most is that you feel comfortable and confident in your own skin. Respect other people's choices, even if they differ from your own. Body positivity is about embracing diversity and celebrating the unique beauty of every individual. Section 9. Conclusion: your body, your rules. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to shave any part of your body is entirely up to you. Consider your personal preferences, weigh the pros and cons, and prioritize your comfort and well-being. Listen to your body and do what feels right for you. Remember, there's no shame in choosing to shave or not to shave. Embrace your body, celebrate your individuality, and respect the choices of others.